This is a public service announcement from Future Histories Productions. Despite all the recent headlines, don't succumb to the hype or the hysteria about AI. But don't be complacent either. Before making major strategic investments, it's crucial to understand how a wide range of potentially disruptive technologies apply specifically to you and your organization. The key question is, how do you skillfully navigate the uncertainties of this technological frontier? The answer lies in adopting a methodical, scientific approach to innovation. Think big. Start small. And learn fast. Start with diligent experimentation and learning with the key technologies driving the future, including AI, but also other critical areas of computing, information, communications, genomics, energy, transportation, and water. Then, you'll be ready to start thinking big, really big, about how you can invent the future. This has been a public service announcement from Future Histories Productions. To learn more, join the conversation at the Future Perfect newsletter, available via Chunkamoy on LinkedIn or at chunkamoy.com. And remember, the best way to predict the future is to invent it.